Today I'm going to show you how to sign out of YouTube on your Android phone and remove your YouTube account. If you're sharing your device or just want to switch accounts, this is the video for you. First, unlock your Android phone and open the YouTube app. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, simply select Settings and tap on Account and find the account option that says Sign Out. Tap on it. A confirmation may appear asking if you're sure you want to sign out. Confirm your choice. If you want to remove the account completely from your device, you can go to the Settings app on your Android phone, scroll down and select Accounts or User and Account. Find and select your Google account linked to your YouTube, tap on Remove Account and confirm. And that's it, you've successfully signed out of YouTube on your Android phone and removed your account.